Good morning mga ka-adventures, and guess what? Nandito tayo sa Lake Tekapo dito sa South Island, New Zealand. So, isa din ito sa tourist destination dito sa New Zealand, ang Lake Tekapo. So, ayan na yung lake. Dumating kami very early, so pa-sunrise siya. Yan, so may mga shops, may mga hotels, so it's really a tourist destination. Maliit lang siya na na lugar. Mayroong pools, hot pools like that. So let's go and check out the lake. So marami siya, meron din silang parang grocery if you need something. So ayan yung sa likod ng sa harap ng lake. And then ito yung lake. Let's go mga ka-adventures. So diba, ang adventures natin nandito sa New Zealand. Let's do this.
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete, so complete.
So now we're just walking around sa front ng lake. And the sun is up. We're very lucky kasi today is a sunny day, but the temperature is just 1 degree. So pag wala akong ganito, hindi ko kaya. So cold. So finally, before yung dream mo na magsuot ng ganito, ng beanie, ng boots, now it's happening. At the right time, at the right place, at the right... So yan, may mga bata na naglalaro. So yan yung at the back, mga shops. Yan. And then
I'm hoping it doesn't fill up quick when it opens up.
so what are the activities here, Han? Only the hot springs, hot pools, and the lake.
Well, we got fishing and helicopter, but
They got fishing, and if you are rich you can rent the helicopter for yourself. But it's not snowy today, so hindi siya nag-snow, pero ang temperature is so low. Gusto ko sana ng snow, pero hindi nangyari ang snow. So better luck next time. So walang snow, hindi pa siya really snow, pero winter na, pero hindi siya nag-snow today. Ngayon punta kami dyan sa bridge. May bridge dyan papuntang church, at saka itong, is it river na this one, Han, right?
it will be part of the river, yeah.
River going to the lake. So let's go across the river. Han, take a picture of me there like London Bridge. So this is the old road bridge. So that one, before cars can pass there, but now it's not happening. So, and that's the whole, yes,
We are.
yes.
Oh, good.
This is a beautiful ano of the
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way?
We are now in the other side of the bridge. Very nice, Lake Tikapo. They have a church here beside the lake, an old church. So, magpunta kami. Beautiful. Yan yung church. Church of the Good Shepherd, grounds open 9 a.m. to the church. Is camera is not allowed. So that's the church.
No camera.
Inside,
Is that what it says?
yeah,
Oh,
it's there. This sacred place. So inside the church, no drone camera and smoking.
okay.
You cannot see the church. So that's the church.
Donations.
And the church is just tabi lang ng lake. Really,
Have you
tourist
ever met
destination.
someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever
Sige, Han.
been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete. So complete.
So yan yung back ng church.
You are the light when there is no sun. You are the rainbow when the rain is done. You are the wind that whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon that shines so bright. You are the wind that whistles.
So we're gonna punta na kami doon sa hot spring. So the hot spring is this way. This way, this way. Okay. Hot spring, here we come. And the car is here. Finally, up close and personal. Ang daming, grabe, vintage car ngayon, as in. Yung mga luma ang car. And it's very nice. What's the spring? That one?
It's owned by them, I think.
And it's covered by the hill, huh? Oh my god, it will be freezing.
We'll see how many people are walking up there first.
Hotel
Camping ground.
in front. Camping grounds. So you can bring your tent.
Yep.
Oh.
We have
Yeah, caravan, cabins. Ooh, all the cabins. So very nice place, and you're in front of the lake. Look at those cabins. Oof. My boss will really like this one. Get one of those cabins. So, dito na kami sa hot spring. Ooh. Ice! So now we are on entry. We'll find out how much it's gonna cost. Ah, they're making ice. They have ice rink. So we just got our pants done.
Can you change the lens or not?
We're gonna change. Yeah. So nandito na kami sa loob and the pool is outside and ang lamig, guys. Is there any saying no camera? So it didn't. So that's the pool outside. OMG. Smoking hot. So that's it. So we have this badge. We get the all-day pass for 37 New Zealand dollars for 1 day per person. So that's it for the pool only. This is it. Hindi ko nakuha. So may snow play sila dito. Ayan, snow. Very nice. So, anong tawag dito? Tube. Ooh. Oh! No, 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 no. Oh my God.
Well, to stay up. Pretty fucking donkey shit.
Ayan, so walking na kami kanina dyan sa lake. Papunta doon. Ang ganda mag-walking kasi. Ang weather, malamig siya pero may sun. So that's it. Where? Ay! Ay! Mugs.